That's what he wanted to do, just call me on stage and not have me talk. First of all, congratulations, Rashid. Uh, the fact that we're standing here just after what, 5, 6 months, 3.5 months of work, but when the idea came about and to actually work hard and have it come in front of you, it's a huge day for all of us who are part of it. The idea behind it is very noble. All of us suffer from in this city and Delhi and even Bangalore. Every time you go, the only thing that people say, yeah, the city is very nice, but the traffic is unbelievable. So when he came up with this idea and when I met both of them, why isn't Ritvik here? I have to invite him. Can we please have Ritvik, the co-founder of Lifty? I can't believe it's happening, man. It's really happening.
Even I can't believe it.
All right. I can't believe they met in a gym, and since they found each other and got this idea, they haven't been to the gym because they haven't gotten any time. They've been working really hard. And Rash is actually really an annoying person because he's so hardworking. He annoys us, Rohit. So that is very important if he's on your team because his hard work, his dedication, he doesn't stop. And that's the reason in 3.5 months, we are standing in front of you with a product that everyone will love because it not just saves money, it not just gives you a great company when you're alone in your car, it also reduces the number of the cars on the road. It also helps the environment. So it's all a full win-win situation. But I don't know how well he has thought out what's going to happen on stage because I am definitely going to take a swing at you. I'll tell you why.
I'm ready for it.
You ready?
There are 2, 3 more people who are probably eyeing on me. Just give it a chance and they'll play.
We actually, on our way here, gave lifts to people. So the first few people that actually, I did a tweet which he said, so I said, okay, I'm going to give a lift to you and tomorrow we're going. Let's see who the lucky person is. So I'm getting tweets from Nagpur saying, sir, I want to come. So I was like, okay, this is just a lifty for a car. Maybe one day we'll have it for aeroplanes, and I don't know how this is going to work. But so we got a guy today. He was in the car, and while I wanted to talk to him, he was making a video of me. I was like, but don't you want this experience of sharing the cab, the car?
Because you are a star, no? He won that moment with a star.
I actually spoke to a phone on my way here.
Which is actually wrong. You should not while driving.
No, I wasn't driving. There was a driver. अभी सीट्स हाँ नहीं एक ड्राइवर अलग था तुम्हारी सोच ही छोटी है कि प्रॉब्लम
So Ritvik, at least you should speak now because he's the guy who's been like Rashid ye karna hai, Ranvijay ye karna hai, but he always been on the back end and he has been the backbone of me.
So now I guys would like to intimidate you about this. There is a lovely campaign going on where you can take a lift from all these celebrities, including Neha Dhupi as well. She's in Australia and not able to come because of some reason, but oh, she's giving lifts in Australia. That's lovely. Okay, so there are no proper criteria, I think, Ranvijay, where the only people you will giving lift to, like you should not be, it should be boys or girls or age or something like that, or you can give it to anybody. It's something like that.
Check the full details of what the whole product is going to be given by Rashid, and after that, all these questions we'll answer. Right now, we're just excited by the fact that the app is ready. People are downloading it. People have used it today. But just before it's been launched, it's been used. It's awesome. And all the details of what the product can do, security, this and that, will be discussed in detail. Rashid has a whole, hopefully he has a whole, there is a presentation. And after that, because when I met them, I had so many questions about a lot of things, and slowly over the last 2-3 months, every time they meet new people, Rohit, Anita, Raghu, Rajiv, everybody has concerns. Today they'll all be answered. And I think we should do that. We should figure out what the whole product is and what it's going to do for people. It's going to change a lot of things. Hopefully, There'll be lesser number of cars. There's so many things. So once we see the presentation, then we'll answer all your questions.
All right. So I believe as he is still, I think this is the perfect time when we can, launch this app with all of you together with us. So it's like you're ready to take the lift. Everybody wants somebody to lift it up. So it says, pick me up. A lifty. And given. Oh, exactly. I mean, oh wow. But Rajiv, I mean, I'm sure there must be something in your heart you want to share about this app when it has come. Can you?
Okay, I think you all have ruined the world. I hold the previous generations, even mine, responsible for the mess we're in. Traffic is shit. Pollution is off the scale. Petrol and diesel prices are way up. All right? But the kids today, they're changing the world for the better. You believe it. Believe it. Everything is technology is coming together and the kids are doing this. They are bringing things and changing the world in small but significant ways all over the world. The way we do things will change very fast. And things like traffic jams, pollution, price, everything will be sorted by the coming generation. I really believe that. This is an example of that. Using technology to give one simple solution to things from pollution to traffic problems to women's security, and of course having fun on the way by just using a mobile phone. It's a simple thing, and I congratulate you guys for coming up with it, and I wish you all the success because you guys deserve it. Thank you. Yeah, I want to say for any product to work, it has to make life easier or better. Okay, it has to have a real problem, and it has to solve it without requiring this generation to do something extraordinary like hike or do something, I think this is actually a very genius solution. Everybody is attached to their phones. Everybody is conversant with e-commerce. And so it's very, very easy. That's number one. Number two, obviously carpooling has to become a culture in this country if we have to, sustain. And you guys are leading the change. Carpooling is going to become more and more easier when you don't have to make plans and wait for people. If you're just out and you say, okay, fine, I want to go here, who all are going, it's that kind of stuff. I think it's very, very simple. I used it today. I thought it was extremely simple to use. And congratulations, yeah.
Well, I'll request Anita also to what does she thinks about it.
Well, congratulations, guys. And I'd like to say that I'm really, really proud to be associated simply because I come from a really, really middle-class background. I used to travel in buses, in trains. So I just wish that something like this was available then. It's convenient, it's reasonable, and it's safe. What more do you?
Thanks a lot for the lovely gesture, guys. I think it's the perfect time when we can launch our logo of this app and introduce it to all of you, introduce it to the whole world. I just want to tell you again that this app is launched in a whole of the India, and tomorrow we'll see it whole of the world. Let's, inshallah. Okay, so I'd like to request our gentleman to just give a little space on either of the sides, and we can have our eyeballs on the screen, basically. And I'd like to request all of you to please join us together with a great energy level, so that what initiative we have taken for a better future, let's all join together our hands for that.
Thank
for
you, buddy.
the lovely gesture. All of you, thanks a lot. And I'm sure we hope that you join us back soon.
Ask you a question.
Thanks a
I'm
lot.
ready.
Now I'd like to request Rashid, let's do the real thing. Let's go through the app. Thank you.
Please.
Doesn't talk much, but when it comes, he's good enough with that. Thank you very much. So I'm really excited to see, because by now we have just seen Ranvijay putting cross questions, because it seems he's really interested after being a stakeholder also. But I'm sure that how many of you must be? Yes, for sure. Please, can I request?
एक माइक यहाँ पे दे देना.
And also at the same time, we would like to see how many people will download the app right away, and if they are ready to use it while going back to your home. And Rashid has already told you that from 0 to 2 kilometers, it might just charge, you might just be charged for 10 rupees or something. So it's extremely cheap, even
he's good.
cheaper than a coffee. At the
can
same
you-
time, there is a camping going on where you can be lucky and get a ride with all of our celebrities, and especially Ranvijay is quite excited about it. He has already done it twice. Yeah, bike ride, exactly. So, gentlemen,
Few of the questions that I have that I don't know. When you pay the money as a guy who takes the lift, the money goes to the guy who's given the lift.
Yes.
So even if you want to reduce the cost of your own expense every day going to office, that gets reduced by the number of people who sit with you. Because that money is not coming to Lifty. That money is actually going to the guy who's giving the lift, because he's the one who's paying
Exactly.
for the petrol, for the maintenance, and the depreciation, like you said.
Yes.
That was your question. I think the presentation was fully in detail. That's why nobody has any questions. Awesome.
If I take a lift, I'm paying the guy. I'm paying the guy, right? So can I decide his playlist, what songs he listens to? That's a very important question.
Now,
We have thought about that, because we were thinking how to make the app playful and enjoyable. Even when you see a person's profile, why do we have Facebook, Twitter, all of these things that are part of your details? Is because you find out what people like, what kind of films that person likes, what are their interests, where does that person work. Maybe you'll meet people that you find interesting, and you might an HR head, and you definitely need a job if very soon. You know. So also you can choose your lifts depending on your interests if they meet. We have also a way where things will pop up that we recommend this person that you go with because your interest and this person's interest match. So yes, even that option of playing my own playlist, but maybe in your case the guy will decline. He's going to pedal jaan.
No, I have another question. I have another answer for Raghu. Raghu, for this, there's another way of doing it. If you want to play your song which you are interested in, you have to be a friend with that guy.
Yeah, I have a question. So after the lift, is there a ranking system, a rating system?
Yes. At the end, you have to rate that person.
Only if you weren't looking at your phone when he said that. In the end, you're like, there is a rating system wherein if the rating is less than 2 stars, the Lifty team is going to call that person who gave the rating saying what was the problem, what went wrong, and maybe also tell the person who got the rating that
We call both the sides. to
सुबह
make sure
सुबह
that-
मूली के परांठे खा के मत जाया कर यार. Whatever it is, right? We'll try to solve out the problem. I think the fact that the cars from so many people from one side to the other go to the same direction with one person sitting in the car. If they start filling up, we'll have lesser number of cars. That one person who's paying so much per month, like 20,000 rupees a petrol bump, bump, bill. It's a bump in your bank balance. Yeah.
Rohit would know that.
That is also going to come down. Also, you're not lonely. You know, when you're spending 2 to 3 hours in traffic in Bombay, you also get really pissed and lonely. Maybe you have somebody who talks, but if it's you, then it's a problem. And sometimes women are not happy traveling alone. They might find a friend that every day they say, okay, you know what? Once the experience is great, now women they never have to be alone driving a car. So I think a lot of these things will come out from the app that even we didn't even think of, and those are positives. So every time I think about this, one more positive comes out. Any questions? for anybody?
Hello.
Yes.
My question is from the business side. Nehru, the public taxi service, had launched a similar scheme which is called carpooling. Unfortunately, that did not do well. So, what kind of research have you all done, and how do you feel your app will be properly?
Can I have a name, sir, please?
Aryan Raj.
Ayush sir, thank you for this question, but I have been spent almost every day 6 hours, a 5-member team, which we go to the street, different points. We try to check out or try to get the information about how the other carpooling things are working. I would not say they are good or bad, but yes, I can say that one thing. Most of the carpooling agencies are commercial vehicles. I am requesting you to give me a.
They offer the service.
I didn't get you.
Like if I'm a car owner, I add my car to their fleet, and they offer with their network, their database, entire customer.
So,
That did not work at the level of a Nehru. So it's a good initiative from your end. But have you done that kind of a research when if a Nehru has not succeeded, how will you benefit? Because normally if you're saying that a person has to give his driving license and everything, how many people are actually willing to give a PAN card number also on?
no, PAN card is something which is very much commercial.
Those are the issues. I'm guessing, I can't be sure. But if it hasn't worked, maybe these are the reasons. And if this works, maybe these would be some of the reasons.
Hello.
The thing with kids today is they don't think it's a big problem, which is good. It may be a bigger problem, but he doesn't think so. And but that is why he will succeed. People who are crazy enough to think they will change something are often the ones who do.
And I'm sorry to add one more line. At 3:30 a.m. when we are playing basketball, so I could not score it, and Raghu came to me. Focus kar, jayega. Focus kar, jayega. And after almost 8 or 9 hits, I think I made.
Blue. All right. This guy, I don't like him. This guy, oh, he's nice. I think they'll be okay. I'll go. As soon as you do that, you get a notification. Excuse me, lady. You have just chosen to take a lift with a male. Are you sure or is it a mistake? You say, not a mistake, I am sure. Goes to the guy. There is this girl who wants to take a lift from you. You have just said yes. Are you sure? He said yes. So there's a double rechecking that happens.
So you all are doing that.
There's a ranking system as well. Other people who have taken a lift from him or her will be ranked and reviewed. So you can find out whether this person has, people have largely had good experiences with this guy or not. So there are, and the SOS. So there are many levels of things to ensure that women do not have a bad experience.
One more small concern. So since you all are taking IDs and all those proofs, are you also doing a background check with police
Yes,
on
we
these
are.
people?
Yeah.
Yes, we are doing it.
You are.
Yes.
Yeah, to make sure that the license is not a fake, that the documents that they have submitted is not fake, there is a background check that will be happening. It will seem, it's a one-time exercise, it will seem a little detailed in the beginning, but like he said, the more information you give out, the better your experience will be have and your travel will be.
Awesome. All the best.
Lastly, thank you.
राशिद भाई
कौन है भाई?
इधर
अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई.
वालेकुम सलाम
Use your thumb, it's analog. There is no network required. I'm kidding obviously.
Sorry. Yes. So when we, what?
जाना चाहिए क्या है वो ऑनलाइन लाइव राइड के लिए उसके बारे में जाना चाहिए क्या है ये
लिफ्ट एक ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें जो आम लोग हैं जिनके पास उनकी पर्सनल गाड़ियाँ हैं वो किसी को लिफ्ट दे सकते हैं और जो जिनके पास गाड़ियाँ नहीं है वो लिफ्ट ले सकते हैं। अगर आप एक ही दिशा में जा रहे हैं, आपका ऑफिस एक जगह, आपका कॉलेज एक जगह है या आपका काम एक ही जगह है, तो आप उस रास्ते में किसी भी लिफ्ट ले सकते हैं। इसका जो नॉर्मल कैब में आप पैसे देते हैं उससे 1/4 अमाउंट आपको देना होगा। लड़कियों के लिए सेफ है कि लड़कियों के पास एक ऑप्शन है कि वो सिर्फ औरतों से ही लिफ्ट लें और सबके पास लिफ्ट देना और लिफ्ट देने का ऑप्शन है। ये नहीं है कि अगर आप चले गए ऐप पर तो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा, अगर आपको उनका प्रोफाइल अच्छा ही लगता है। सो इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो हम सिर्फ यही देखा है कि क्या सेफ रहेगा, किससे फ़ायदा होगा। बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं, रोड पे गाड़ियाँ कम हो जाएंगी। अगर सबने इसको ढंग से देखा तो उनका मंथली एक्सपेंस जो पेट्रोल का है, डीजल का है, वो कम हो जाएगा। पोल्यूशन कम हो जाएगा। नेटवर्किंग के लिए बहुत अच्छा। अगर आप एक सेम इलाके में बीकेसी में जा रहे हैं तो आपको पता है कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एंकर्स हैं, आप ही के प्रोफेशन के लोग हैं, तो उनके साथ आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं मैं इसके साथ जाऊँगा, बातें अच्छी हो सकती है, लोनलीनेस नहीं होगा। कभी भी कोई अगर आपको ऐसा डर लग रहा है रात को अकेले आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो आप एज अ गर्ल और एज अ बॉय यू कैन गिव अ लिफ्ट टू अनदर गर्ल और बॉय। तो बहुत सारे इसमें मेरे को फ़ायदे दिख रहे हैं और शायद ट्रैफिक की जो सिचुएशन है उसको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलेगा। सो मेरी तरफ से ये है।
सर जैसा आपने कहा कि गाड़ियाँ कम हो जाएंगी, गाड़ियाँ बढ़ भी तो सकती हैं, लोग चाहेंगे अब एक बिजनेस खोल लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं लिफ्ट देने का।
वो उसके लिए वो मेरू वगैरह कैब सर्विस है ये उन लोगों के लिए जो यार जिनके लिए 150 रुपये देना भी ज़्यादा है, वो 10 रुपये में पहुंच जाएंगे। वो गाड़ी क्या खरीद लेंगे और बिजनेस क्या चलाएंगे। ये बिजनेस नहीं है, ये सिर्फ सहूलियत के लिए है, ये बिजनेस नहीं है।
सर कहीं ना कहीं जैसे कि आप कह रहे हैं आम लोगों के लिए, लेकिन इससे जो ऑटो रिक्शा चालक है उनके भी बिजनेस में थोड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा। जो
नहीं यार, मेरे ख्याल से ऑटो रिक्शा वाले मना करने बंद कर देंगे सब किसी को कहीं ले जाने से। इसमें देखिए ऑटो रिक्शास बहुत ज़रूरी हैं मगर काफ़ी नहीं है, वो सिर्फ सोल्यूशन नहीं है। टाउन में तो ऑटो रिक्शास मिलते भी नहीं हैं। लिफ्ट एक बहुत पुरानी और बहुत ही बढ़िया सोल्यूशन था बहुत चीज़ों का, लेकिन सिक्योरिटी की वजह से और काफ़ी चीज़ों की वजह से ख़त्म हो चुका है। ये एक ऐप है जो आपके फ़ोन में रहता है और इस बहुत अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट को एक सेफ़ और किफ़ायती तरीके से आपके पास लेके आ रहा है, तो बहुत सही है।
इन केस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट किसका ज़्यादा होगा कि
तो अगर आप किसी को लिफ्ट देते हैं आज की डेट पे आप किसी को लिफ्ट देते हैं, आपकी प्राइवेट गाड़ी है, आपके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है जो एक अथॉरिटी ने दिया है, आपका एक्सीडेंट होता है तो क्या होता है? किसी की आप ही की जिम्मेवारी है। जिनके साथ एक्सीडेंट हुआ इंश्योरेंस इट्स द सेम है, बिकॉज लॉ के हिसाब से आप किसी को लिफ्ट दे सकते हैं। इट्स नॉट इलीगल टू गिव लिफ्ट। और अगर आपने किसी को लिफ्ट दिया और आपका एक्सीडेंट हो जाए विदाउट लिफ्टी ऑल्सो, इट्स द सेम थिंग, राइट?
निफ्टी आपको सिर्फ एक बेस दे रहा है, इट्स जस्ट एन एप्लीकेशन, टेक्नोलॉजी है
बस का एक्सीडेंट हुआ
which is helping you।
बस से अगर बस का एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि पैसेंजर से ज़्यादा पैसे ले लेंगे। ड्राइवर इज रिस्पांसिबल।
We are just providing the base, an application।
कि हाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करके आप लिफ्ट ले सकते हैं, लिफ्ट दे सकते हैं। बाकी तो वही चीज़ें हैं जो अगर
नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ में जो करते थे अपनी गाड़ियों के साथ, जैसे चलाते थे जितनी सेफ्टी से या जितने इत्मीनान से कि आपकी गाड़ी ख़राब ना हो, आपको चोट ना लगे, आप उसी हिसाब से चलाइए तो कुछ नहीं होगा। अगर होता है तो जैसा पहले होता था अभी भी वही होगा, तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा कोई रोल नहीं रहेगा कि हम शायद मरीज़ को, हम कोशिश ज़रूर करेंगे, हमसे जो बन पड़े हम ज़रूर करेंगे। बट
सबसे पहली बात बड़ी बात इनकी है कि ये कंफर्म करें कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने आपको एक वैलिड ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस दिया है, यानी गवर्नमेंट ने बोला कि आप गाड़ी चला सकते हैं,
बस
तब
आगे
उसके बाद आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। और क्या?
अभी अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हैं और मैं आपसे लिफ्ट मांगता हूँ, मैं तो वैसे ही बहुत थैंकफुल हो जाता हूँ कि थैंक यू आपने मुझे लिफ्ट दिया। अब आपके पास लाइसेंस है नहीं, वो मैं चेक थोड़ा ना करता हूँ कि अरे लिफ्ट दे रहे हो, लिफ्टी में हो। सो इन सारी चीज़ों का हमने अपनी तरफ से पूरी तैयारी की है। आगे देखते हैं क्या होगा इंशाल्लाह।
मैम आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल यही कहना चाहूँगी कि लड़की होने के नाते सबसे पहला सवाल मेरा भी यही था कि लड़कियों के लिए सेफ़ है या नहीं। एंड उन्होंने जो भी रिसर्च किया, जो भी उन्होंने सोचा है, इट्स सेफ फॉर वुमेन एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट कॉन्सेप्ट एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ऑल एसोसिएटेड विद।
सर आपसे जानना चाहिए कोई आपने लिफ्ट ली हो पहले कभी?
मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ लिफ्ट से जाता था। हमारे पास वो बस के 50 पैसे के जो टिकट होती है वो भी नहीं था। मतलब क्यों खर्चे यार, जब चाय 50 पैसे की है और उतने का मैं टिकट खरीद रहा हूँ तो मैं चाय क्यों ना पीऊँ, वो भी किसी इंटरेस्टिंग लोगों के साथ मैं चाय पी सकता है। कॉलेज में था तो
एंथम ही वो था, थोड़ी सी लिफ्ट करा दे बचपन
तो लिफ्ट से ही, मतलब बसें और टैक्सियों को तो हम पूछते भी नहीं थे, हैं कौन पूछता है तेरे को, भाई साहब कोई देते। तो हमने बहुत लिफ्ट एक बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज़ थी, खत्म हो गई, वापस आनी चाहिए। रोड रोलर पे लिफ्ट, रोड रोलर ट्रैक्टरों पे
मैंने रोडीजन में लिया, ट्रक पे क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
मैंने ट्रक पे लिया, अपने पूरी बास्केटबॉल करियर शुरू ट्रक पे हुई थी हमारी।
मतलब वो
ट्रेलर में जा चुका हूं।
इसने लिफ्ट ली, वो रोड बना रहा था एक्चुअली। वही घूम रहा था। अब फालतू जोक शुरू हो गए भाई साहब, मैं निकल रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। ओके
आप सबको
हमारी तरफ से होली की बहुत बहुत
शुभकामनाएं। पानी के साथ मत खेलना, बहुत पानी की बचत
होली।
का प्रॉब्लम है। ड्राई होली, मस्त होली।
Happy Holi to all of you. Please say water. Dry Holi, please. Enjoy.
बात करें आज के इवेंट की, क्या है
Hi guys, this is Ran Vijay and here's wishing you a happy Holi. Be safe, use organic colors and have a great Holi and a safe Holi. Thank you guys.